Good morning, everyone. It is 9 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday, the 1st of May, and I'm doing this short Facebook Live to suggest that every day normally is much the same as the day before, and you've heard me say that every day we practice the next day. So I've jumped on May Day morning to suggest this. Do something different today. Do one thing different today. Now, if you do one thing different today, then tomorrow will be a little bit different because you've done something different. Now, I know you do different things all of the time, of course you do, but it's like one psychological thing. It's a thing that moves you a little bit more forward towards what you want to achieve or how you want your day to look. The thing I'm doing different today is that I'm jumping on a Facebook Live at 9 o'clock in the morning before I start my clinic to suggest to you that you do something different. Now, it's kind of hard to describe, and I kind of like a metaphor for it in a way, but it's like this. It's like the life in front of you is like an ill-defined, amorphous kind of series of events, opportunities, things and stuff, habits of thought, etc. And we shape that future by what we do. So our future is not set, it's shaped by our activity. And I find that really quite an interesting kind of concept or metaphor for like, you're shaping your future to be panic, anxiety, depression, stress, well, you're shaping your future to be that way. So think about shaping your future to be more of what you want it to be. Start. It's dead simple. You start by doing one thing different. This is my one thing different, coming on and doing a Facebook Live at 9 o'clock in the morning. If you find that you have some time, or if you find that you're stuck to do something different, I've also put a link on a little bit of blurb below this video. Monday I did a video called Unboxing Panic, Anxiety, and Depression, where I teased apart panic, anxiety, depression. Now, and the general idea is, and I'll be saying more about this over the weeks, the general idea is that if you say I have anxiety, you can't do much with that because it's a label, a single word label for a multifaceted kind of element. So if you say, well, I have anxiety, but what is anxiety, or what maintains anxiety? Then it allows you to list the things that are the problems that create anxiety and maintain anxiety. Deal with those little problems individually, and anxiety goes away. Things like catastrophizing, negative thinking, over-focusing on somatic symptoms, avoidance. So those kind of little things. And so a big problem is deal with little things. So that's unboxing anxiety, depression. You'll find the link. It's got 40 minutes. It's a long thing, but then again, unboxing panic, anxiety, depression. It's not a trivial matter. Okay, so if you want something different and you don't have another idea, watch my video and find it. I know you'll find it interesting. Can I ask just one thing for you, please? Please leave a comment, leave an 8-word comment. I've been told that really matters because if you leave an 8-word comment, you're likely to see more of my videos and things. I'm a bit concerned that things tend to get lost and you're not seeing everything that I'm putting out. Anyway, that's this Facebook Live for today. Do a little bit of something different. Do one thing different. Now, just the trick, right? If you do a different thing tomorrow, you do 2 things different. You do a different thing the next day, you do 3 things different. And all of a sudden, you have a different experience and you've taken control. Thanks for taking the time to watch and listen, and I'll put the link there. And please leave a few comments because it really helps. Have a good day and do something different.